Hello, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Debs. We've just got a really quick decadent treat for you today. In my Ninja Bullet I've got about 8 ounces of strawberries. These were frozen and defrosted, but fresh fruit is good as well. I'm going to stick them in and blitz them. Right, to the strawberries I'm going to add 150 ml or 5 fluid ounces of double cream, which is approximately half of one of these small tubs of double cream. So if you just want to measure it by eye, that's fine. I'm using my super duper Tommy Tippy measuring cup. Just get all that in there. And then I've got 5 ounces of icing sugar. I'm just going to sort of spoon that in. I'm just going to poke it, mix it a little bit so that the icing sugar doesn't get stuck. And then just blitz it for another minute. And that's it, it's done. Now this stuff, you can just stick it in the fridge and have it as a dessert, or pour it into an old ice cream pot. Pop the lid on and stick it into the freezer. Tomorrow you will have strawberry ice cream.